This is all set up. There you go. Click. Click. Pump's running. You can see the water going. What you want to have is up to 1/4 to 1/2 an inch for 30 mesh. About 1 inch for 100 mesh, which might be what I got in there if I go that way. I already had the valve. You open that really slow until you get it balanced, and not forgetting that when you put material in, it's going to raise the level a little bit. So they do that kind of slow. People have said, well, I don't like the Blue Bowl because it's too slow. Well, actually it's pretty fast compared to what you're doing with a pan. And remember, you're going after a microfine gold. So I got really good water flow. It'll take about a minute to get up there. You see how it's, see a little scratch there? Yeah, it's slowly raising. Now the reason I got it set up like this is because any heavies that I miss, or if I've got it set up wrong, it'll drop into the bucket, not into the recirculating pan, and that way, yeah, I can always do it again. This is what came out of that bag in the beginning. A bunch of gravel. I don't think there's any gold in there, but I didn't pour it out and hit it with a detector yet. You see how that's raising? All right, now shake that down like that. And slowly let it rinse off. Now, different people have different ways of doing this. You don't want to pour too much material in. This way is not too fast. Now I got more in there, but I'm going to hold on a minute. Set this over here. And you can see how it's starting to swirl. I don't know if you can see that on this camera, but it's going in there. It's building up around the edge. What happens is the heavies, the gold will stay down at the bottom at the edge. Looks like it's pretty much gone. See how it's doing that? It's got a good ½ inch or so. It might need to be a little bit faster, but it seems to be cleaning it pretty good. So And a little dirty. I see some gold right there. Now, I'm not sure if I'm actually doing this right. And excuse me for the headset. But it seems like it's cleaning it out pretty good. I see a little ring around the cone there. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off, and I see some bunch of gold there and there. Heavies, you know. When you turn it off, it obviously sinks down to where the lip is. And we go get a flashlight.